Hi guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to our second video, our second lesson. I hope you're ready to have some fun and I hope you're ready to learn something new. So, who can tell me, when do you wear a cap? When do you wear a cap to go outside? Very clever, when it's hot, when the sun is shining, am I right? Yes. Now, when do you wear a jacket? When do you wear a jacket that has a hood? To keep warm. Very clever. Yes, when it's winter, when it's cold, when it's windy, when it's raining, we like to keep warm. Now, who can tell me, when do you wear a beanie? To cover our ears and cover our head when it's cold, when it's snowing, when it's very, very icy and very chilly. When do you wear sunglasses? When it's hot, when the sun's shining, so we protect our eyes. Am I right? Very clever. So guys, every day we wear different clothes because we have different weather. When you wake up in the morning, you look outside the window or you peek outside the door and you check, what's the weather? How am I feeling today? And that's because we have different weather and 4 seasons in our year. So today's lesson, we are going to learn about the weather. I have made a weather chart which we are going to talk about today. So if you can see, here it's rainy. Can you see? The rain falls from the clouds. When it rains, it's very good because the rain feeds water to all the plants, all the fruit, and all the vegetables. So all the fruit and vegetable can grow, the grass grows, and the flowers grow. Rain is very important. But I know you guys don't like the rain because you can't go outside. Hey, but if it rains, we can sing a song. Who knows what's the rain song? Yes, let's sing. Rain, rain, go away. Come on back another day. Rain, rain, go away. We all want to go and play. Well done. Then we have the sun. The sun comes out to shine. So can you see my sun? This is when it's very sunny and it's very hot. When it's hot, it makes us smile because then we can go outside, we can go in the pool, we can go to the beach, we can eat tasty ice cream, and we can have lots of fun. When it's hot, the season is summer. Everyone say summer. Good. The next that we have, on some days like we're experiencing now, it's partly cloudy. Everyone say partly cloudy. So if you look at the picture, there's a little bit of sun and some clouds. That's when it's not too hot and not too cold. It's medium, okay? And if we look at the next picture, that's lightning. That's when it's a thunderstorm. When it's a thunderstorm, guys, you must not be scared. You don't have to be afraid because you're inside and you're safe, okay? Then who can tell me what this is? It's a snowflake. A snowflake is when the snow falls. Now in South Africa, in our country, it's not very snowy. But in other countries, the snow falls in their winter. Who watched Frozen? And what did Elsa do? Yes, she turned their town into an ice town. So when it's snowy, it's very cold and you need to stay warm. Look, here's the clouds. This is when it's windy. When it's windy, the cloud blows wind. We can hear the wind whistle, we can see the trees shake, and everything around us move. Now, let's look at the last one. There's a cloud, and something's falling from the cloud. Who remembers what's that? Rain. Very, very good. So every day we have different weather. The weather changes because our seasons change. So for today's lesson, guys, I asked you all to have a little bit of Play-Doh. Do you have your Play-Doh with you? Okay, you can quickly fetch it for me. So I have some blue Play-Doh. Let's take the Play-Doh and let's squish it in our hands. Who can tell me, how does the Play-Doh feel? Soft? Smooth? Rubbery? How does it feel on your hands? Is it poking your hand or is it gentle on your hand? Now I want you all to pick your hand up and squash the Play-Doh for me. Now this exercises our hands. It's very good for our hand. Now you're going to break a small piece of Play-Doh and we're going to take this Play-Doh and we're going to roll it round and round and round. Can you roll it like a ball? And then you're going to flatten your Play-Doh like this. Let's flatten it. Let's break it in half. Let's flatten it some more. We are going to try to make a cloud. So here's my cloud. Can I see your cloud? Pick up your cloud for me. Well done. Now press your cloud down on the table. So that's when it's cloudy, when there's clouds in the sky. Now let's get another piece of Play-Doh. We're going to take small pieces. See? Let's break small little pieces up. Can you break 3 pieces for me? Count 1, 2, 3. You're going to roll the Play-Doh to make a little teardrop. Can you see my teardrop? Good. Now we're going to take the Play-Doh and we're going to stick it under our cloud. So place it on your table and then take your teardrop. So we have our raindrops. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and our cloud. So that's when it's raining. Remember, the rain is very important. It waters all the fruit and vegetables and makes all the leaves, trees and grass grows. When it rains, you should not play outside in the rain because you can get sick. You need to use an umbrella and some rain boots. Okay, so now you're going to get your next piece of Play-Doh, which is some yellow Play-Doh. We are going to squash, 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 squash. And we're going to make a circle. Remember, Play-Doh is good on our hands. It makes our hands feel soft. And it's a good exercise for our fingers. Once you have your circle, you are going to place your Play-Doh onto the table. We're going to take more Play-Doh and we are going to make the rays of the sun. So you're going to take some Play-Doh, you're going to roll it up like this for me. The sun has rays because the sun shines. So you could take as many pieces of Play-Doh that you like and you are going to stick the Play-Doh around your sun. So I'm going to give you all a chance to complete your sun. Remember, the sun is yellow or orange and it's in the sky. The sun rises in the morning and sets in the afternoon. The sun makes us warm and the sun shines bright over everyone. Is your sun almost ready? There's my sun here. So there's a picture of my sun. Now, who knows the sun? Yes, we all see the sun. So let's sing a song for Mr. Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind those trees. All these children want to play with you, so please come out so we can have fun with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. So I'm really proud of you guys. You made a cloud for a cloudy day, you made raindrops for a rainy day, and you made the sun for a sunny day. Remember, playing with Play-Doh is something that's really cool. It gives our hands some muscles, some exercise, and the more you play with Play-Doh, it's going to help you to write your name, use a scissor, and have strong fingers. Now, remember I said to you that we also have something called lightning, and lightning happens when it's thundering in a thunderstorm. Now, you should not be scared of any lightning because it's not going to harm you. You're safe inside. Now I need you to take a piece of Play-Doh. If you have orange or red or any color, that's fine. We can pretend. We're going to roll our Play-Doh. Now you're going to make like a long snake. Look at my piece. Perfect. Roll it nice and long, like this. You can take your time. You don't have to rush. Very good. Now we're going to take it and we're just going to bend it a little, and we're going to stick it on the table and make it in the shape of a lightning. You can ask your moms or dads to help you so you can get it perfect. And I'll show you a picture of mine. So as you can see, I used my orange Play-Doh to make it in the shape of lightning. Well done, guys. I love all your lightning. Now, I need everyone to stand up for me. Perfect. So, remember, we said the sun shines and it's warm. The rain falls to help all the fruit and vegetables grow. The lightning strikes when there's a thunderstorm. And the clouds cover the sky when it's cloudy or partly cloudy. So we have different weather every day. So a fun way for you to remember the weather and a fun way for you to learn your weather is to take a cardboard. I use the cardboard from a cereal box. I cut it in a circle. You can ask your moms and dads to help you. And then I divided it into 8 pieces. Doesn't it look like a pizza? Just like a pizza. And then you could use your color pens or your crayons and draw the different weather on your cardboard and make your very own weather chart. Every morning when you wake up, you can go to the window or go to the door, check up in the sky, what does the weather look like? How does the weather feel? And then you can take a peg, the peg that you use to hang your clothes on the line, and peg it on the weather. So let's look outside. Today is very sunny, so let's turn our weather wheel around. There's the sun, and we can use a peg to remind us and to help us remember and learn our weather. So you could make your own. I will send your moms and dads a picture of this, and you can stick it behind your door or somewhere that you will be able to use every morning. So I hope you guys learned something new today, and I hope you had fun in our lesson. Please remember, the weather is very important because it changes all the time, and the more we practice, the more we will understand why we have to wear glasses, or why we need to wear a jacket, or why we need to go to the beach today. Hey, I hope you all had fun again. Guys, remember, Play-Doh is something that is very fun, and I want you to practice your Play-Doh often. So you can use different colors like green or yellow or blue, any colors that you have, and I want you to build your sun, build your lightning, build your raindrops, your clouds, and I want you to send me a picture. And I'm going to be so proud of everyone because practice makes perfect. I hope you all have a lovely day. I hope you all enjoyed your lesson, and I will be seeing you next week again. Have fun and enjoy. Bye everyone.